Hey there, if you're struggling with the issue of your TP-Link AC1300 USB adapter constantly disconnecting, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix TP-Link USB AC1300 keeps disconnecting and provide actionable solutions to ensure a stable connection for uninterrupted internet access. Step 1. Check physical connections. The first step in resolving any connection issue is to ensure that the USB adapter is securely plugged into the USB port of your device. Try unplugging and replugging the device to see if it improves the connection. In case the issue persists, consider using a different USB port on your computer, preferably one that offers direct connection to the CPU rather than through a USB hub. For those with USB 3.0 ports, ensure your adapter is compatible, as using an incompatible port may result in connectivity issues. Step 2. Update drivers. Outdated drivers could be a major culprit if your TP-Link AC1300 keeps disconnecting. To update the driver, open the Device Manager on your computer. Find your USB adapter under the Network Adapters section, right-click and select Update Driver. Alternatively, you can visit TP-Link's official website to download the latest driver specifically designed for your model. Installing the latest driver ensures that any known bugs or compatibility issues are addressed, potentially resolving the disconnection problem. Step 3. Adjust power management settings. Sometimes your operating system's power-saving options may cause the USB adapter to disconnect. To modify these settings, go to Device Manager, right-click on the TP-Link USB adapter, select Properties, then navigate to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then hit OK. This step prevents your computer from automatically powering off the USB adapter, ensuring a stable connection. Step 4. Optimize wireless settings. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be time to optimize the wireless settings on your router. Log into your router's settings page and ensure that your device is connected to the 5 GHz band. The 5 GHz band offers less interference compared to the 2.4 GHz, which is crucial for adapters like the AC1300 that support the faster band. Additionally, make sure that the channel your router is using isn't congested. You can set the channel to auto or choose a less crowded one manually for better stability. Step 5. Reinstall the USB adapter. When all else fails, reinstalling the USB adapter might just do the trick. Begin by removing the adapter from Device Manager by right-clicking and selecting Uninstall Device. Once you've done that, remove the adapter physically from the USB port. Restart your computer, attach the adapter back, and let the system automatically reinstall the device. This process helps remove any corrupted files or settings tied to the previous installation. So there you have it. Now you know how to fix TP-Link USB AC1300 keeps disconnecting with these straightforward strategies. Check your physical connections, update the drivers, adjust power management settings, optimize wireless settings, and if necessary, reinstall your adapter to keep your internet connection steady. Make sure to follow these steps carefully, and you'll be surfing the web without interruption in no time. Prioritize keeping your drivers up to date, and consider investing in a high-quality USB extender if physical connections continue to be troublesome. With these solutions, say goodbye to annoying disconnections and enjoy a seamless internet experience. Happy browsing!